Here we got this potentially 1950s central air conditioner right here. It's got your plastic blower fins. And we got this 1960s Carrier. .38 BA, maybe 1962.
1969.
Yeah, I figured that might be pushing it a little bit.
This one's from 1969. Yep.
Yep. The building was built in 51, so that's what the assumed manufacture date of this one might be. So obviously it doesn't run anymore, and neither does that one, because the building's been abandoned for who knows how long.
About 1951. Montgomery-Ward, I believe.
Yeah, line set just goes right into the wall. No styrofoam to insulate it at all. Not like it matters anyway. Very surprised at how clean the coils are. Yeah, that's pretty neat. 60-plus-year-old unit. Never seen one before. Oldest central air conditioner on YouTube. That'll be it. Thanks for watching.